Hi, Tony Poulos here, and today I'm with Eric Creviston, who is the President of Mobile Products at Qorvo. Eric, great to catch up. Look, there are a lot of key trends that are happening in the industry right now. What are you seeing in the smartphone space, and what is Qorvo doing to address those trends?
Well, the application for the smartphone continues to evolve, but one constant is the need for more mobile data. It's a continuous demand increase year over year, and also the smartphones are getting smaller and more power hungry because of all the mobile data that they're consuming. And so we see a lot of challenges with our customers at packing in more frequency bands, advanced modes of modulation and multi-carrier aggregation, and even multiple antennas now with MIMO, and doing all of this with less power consumption, keeping the handset cool to the touch, and also keeping it cost effective, of course, and small in size. So those trends are all driving our R&D investments for advanced technologies. We have a broad portfolio of solutions that cover our customers' full portfolio from the mid-tier all the way through the premium tier in every frequency band and SKU that you need for global coverage.
Eric, what is the strategy for growth in Qorvo's mobile products business?
It starts with working with the network operators as well as the handset OEMs and the standards bodies to define what's possible. We think we have a lot of unique technologies that we can bring to bear. We help people evaluate new business models and technology applications, and from that strategy we develop a very broad portfolio of products and total solutions that help the smartphone customers in particular get to market quickly with the fewest number of SKUs to cover the global population and its needs. And then lastly, we take those applications and mature technologies and apply them to the Internet of Things and other emerging markets like that, where we can leverage what we've already developed and our customers can apply that more broadly.
And 5G is certainly hot at the moment. What is Qorvo's 5G strategy?
It really does start with defining what's possible in 5G. I know that's something that there's a lot of discussion about this week at Barcelona, and we've been working on several 5G standard bodies already. We're active with the China Mobile 5G Innovation Center, and that's allowed us to really help define what's possible from the technology to get the higher data rates. That's one key application, of course. That's going to drive more modulation and higher frequency bands, but also to look at massive machine type communications, a very different application of 5G, and we think we can help make modems that live on much longer battery lives and also deliver data over a broader range for those applications. And lastly, I would point out that millimeter wave frequencies will be important in 5G, and that's a key part of our strategy. We're already a leading provider of millimeter wave products in our infrastructure and defense business, and bringing those to bear for 5G will be a big part of our strategy.
And what differentiation does Qorvo bring to the market with its portfolio?
Primarily the breadth of our portfolio. We have a full host of technologies, literally everything that's required for our handset customers to develop next generation smartphones. We have two primary families of architectures. One is really geared towards global SKU, flagship performance, all the freshest ingredients in it for the latest and greatest performance. And we have the full suite of frequency band coverage in that what we call RF Fusion portfolio. And then we have a mid-tier portfolio we call RF Flex, which helps customers really scale from regional SKUs up to more super regional or even global SKUs eventually, but in a flexible portfolio so they can use the same architecture across their whole portfolio of phones. And each of those primary architectures are complemented with another set of individual technologies like Wi-Fi, a very important growing part of our market, and also antenna tuners and envelope tracking power management. So these are very special technologies, highly differentiated component ingredients that add to our complete system solutions.
Eric, great to catch up and great to hear the Qorvo story. Thank you.